Boomerbuggy X Walkaround. So if you've got your Boomerbuggy X and you want to know how to use it, this I'm going to show you. Comes in blue and red, enclosed MobilityScooter. I think I went through the prices, but we'll put that in the description. The most important thing I want to say about this one is that it is the safest enclosed MobilityScooter on the market, and that's because it has dynamic braking. Dynamic braking means that it has a motor brake, so when you let off of the toggles, in this case, it's going to bring you to a stop. And I also call it the safest because if you have any mobility issues, whether it's you've got arthritis or whatever it is, and pulling a throttle, handlebars of other ones can be kind of tiring, or the other ones come with a steering wheel with the accelerator and a brake. That's why I like this one, and I claim and state that it is the safest because you simply just rest your hands here and you pull the toggles in and out. So you can use one hand or the other hand, it doesn't matter. Now it does take a little bit of push and pull for the turning. So keep that in mind as well, is that you still do need some strength to be able to move that. So let's go through the functions. So it works with a key. Unlock. This one does come with an alarm system. It's the only one that does. So unlock. Turn the key on, power windows on both sides. It comes with AC and it comes with heat. The seat does not go back as far as you would think. It's not bad. This is it all the way back. I'm 5'3". Lots of headroom, lots of elbow room. Now we can modify that, just so you know, so don't let that deter you from this one. So you have your horn. Windshields, wipers work in two different ways. So you turn on your wipers here, but you have your windshield fluid here, which is coming out right here. It's coming right from the wipers, which is really neat. So I'm gonna turn that off. You have your lights like a scooter. So off, daylight, nighttime, and then you've got your fog lamps over here. The high beam, you've got high beam and low beam. Reverse camera, you do need to turn that on yourself. We got some nice plugs back there. So that's kind of an extra step that you don't find in all of them. Signals, so they make noise, left and right. The heating on this thing. We did do a video about this, but it is kind of confusing. You have your fan here, and then you choose your cooling or your heat over here. You have to turn this on. I know it says AC, but you have to turn that on to get your heat as well. So I've got the heat on now, and I can already start to feel that warmth come through, so that's nice. What else? This is actually really important. I don't know if you can see that. It is your speed control. Slow, turtle, or high. You also have a 3-speed here. 1, 2, and 3. I did not feel much of a difference, but I need to go out and drive this a little bit more, not just in the parking lot to get some distance, but I prefer to drive this on slower anyway. Top speed is 30 kilometers an hour. The gauge, so you can connect this to your Bluetooth. It is not touchscreen. So if I want to go to my radio, which is this one of the only units that has a radio. So mode, Bluetooth, radio, and that's it. This is how you open. I like this because there's two. This is actually a pretty big moonroof, so that opens like that. That's gonna get some air in, and at the back, same thing. Oh, that one's a bit stiff, but you know what? That's not a bad thing. Now, I'm gonna show you one other thing which I forgot. Parking brake. It's not really needed because it has dynamic braking, so when you come to a stop, the motor's engaged anyways, you're not gonna move. Sometimes you just want that e-brake on for anti-rolling effects. Seat, you've got your, oh, this kind of sits up like this. So I guess if you want to hold some things back there, that's neat. But this one does not have a seatbelt in the back. All the other enclosed do, so make note of that. You have your seatbelt for the front, of course, but you do not have a rear seatbelt. This opens nice and wide. It is one of the shorter compact ones, but it does open quite nice. So yeah, we'll do another video of us driving in the parking lot. Thanks for watching.